Hey there! Hot today? Let's learn about the sun. It's the center of our solar system. Hey kids! Let's learn about Mercury, the planet closest to the sun. A year on Mercury is very short, lasting only 88 Earth days. Mercury orbits very close to the sun, making it the fastest planet. Hey kids, let's learn about the Venus planet. It's the second planet to the sun and is often called Earth's twin. Venus is similar in size, mass, and composition to Earth. It has no moons or rings. Venus takes 225 Earth days to orbit the sun and 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Hey kids, today let's learn about Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is made mostly of gas, and it spins very fast. One day there is only 10 hours long. A year on Jupiter is very long. It takes 12 Earth years to go around the sun. Hey kids, let's learn about Neptune, a planet far from the sun with super fast winds. Neptune looks deep blue, mainly due to methane in its atmosphere. It has the strongest winds in the solar system, up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. A day on Neptune is about 16 hours long, and a year on Neptune is about 165 Earth years. Hey kids, let's learn about Mars planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and is called the Red Planet. Day on Mars lasts about 24.6 hours, and a year is 687 Earth days. Mars has a thin, mostly carbon dioxide atmosphere, and dust storms can cover the entire planet. Moon for kids. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun, and is called an ice giant due to water in its composition. Uranus has very cold temperatures, averaging around 24 degrees, making it the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus rotates in about 17 hours. With long periods of light and dark. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and one of the largest in our solar system. It's a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium with no solid surface. 1 year on Saturn equals about 29.5 Earth years. Saturn completes one rotation in just about 10.7 hours, giving it a very short day. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.